This is a 2012 A7. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless go, a low-tire pressure indicator, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking differential, cornering lights, big 19-inch wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, leather seats, aluminum door sills, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.